Hey guys, welcome back to GADSTESLA channel, and for this week's video we're going to be installing paint protection film on the rear door panels. My dad is not here today because he's at work, so he asked me to do this for him. And yeah, we're not expert on PPF installations, but we do have an instruction from Tesla from the PPF that we bought from them, so we're going to be using that. And yeah, let's try to figure out how to do this. So just to give a little bit of an overview why we need to install paint protection film on this part of the door is because as you can tell, the Tesla, all of the Tesla Model Ys have a wider back portion or rear portion than it is at the front. So what happens naturally is that when you're driving at high speeds, that front wheel would start picking up dirt, pebbles, little sand, and would happen to pick it up and then throw it all the way back here right at the door panel, which as you can tell would damage the paint. And so if you look at closely here, you already have some dirt and grime from the front wheel picking up dirt and stuff on and throwing it back here. Alright, so when you buy the paint protection film from Tesla, they gave you this kit, and the kit comes with these two items. So here's your instructions, and then also the paint protection itself, and they put it in a tube and inside the film itself right there. I'll take that out later. And then it also comes with the squeegee in the back, and you'll see why this is needed later. So looking at the instruction, the main first step is to first prep the car, which means that we have to wash the car thoroughly and make sure that there's no dirt and grime on the surface area we're going to be installing the film. And then after that, we're going to make a slip solution. So a slip solution consists of 15% baby shampoo and then 85% of water. And with this helps you kind of make the installation process easier, because it would help you maneuver the film on the surface area before you finally tack it down with the squeegee. So first, what we have to do is we have to clean it first, clean the surface area, and we'll do that right now. So here are the list of our materials. We have our baby shampoo, shop towel, the alcohol spray, and then also the slip solution spray. Natin ng ating solution na minix, which is yung distilled water or purified, at saka yung ating shampoo. So isprayin natin siya ulit ng shampoo ngayon. Sabihan natin. So yan, kikita nyo nag-ano siya, nag-drips. Tapos ito naman, sprayan din natin. Sprayan natin yung labas kasi doon natin hahawakan. Then pag open nyo ngayon, habang ino-open nyo, dito pa lang inisprayan nyo na. Sabihan nyo kasi bawal matuyuan. And then so makikita nyo kung paano po siya in-sprayan. Natin didikit lang na ganyan. So kailangan maraming tubig.
madulas. Kita nyo maraming tubig yung baby shampoo. So I think uunahin nyo ang bottom. Ano naman siya, makikita nyo kung paano siya mag-a-align sa baba. So the best idea is yung sa bottom kailangan straight. So pag nakita nyo ng straight na siya, at least yung nagpo-flush siya sa baba, wag naman nakausli. Ayan, nararamdaman nyo naman kung. So first align nyo siya. Hindi siya malambot, so matigas siya, so dudulas siya. So ngayon kakailangan nyo may squeegee. Kung naidikit nyo na siya at sa tingin nyo yung alignment nyo kuhang kuha na, kagaya nyan, sa tingin ko kuhang kuha na siya. Tsaka nyo ngayon tatanggalin yung tubig tsaka yung shampoo na in-spray nyo. Hindi naman kailangan. Okay, so pag in-squeeze nyo siya,
Start in the middle.
you gotta start the middle. So yung bottom okay naman. Tatanggalin nyo yung shampoo tsaka yung tubig. Lumayo siya. Dito lumayo siya ng malaki. So habang hindi pa siya tumitigas, pwede nyo baguhin.
Straight.
Ayan o. Dudulas siya So ang idea, maidikit nyo siya sa tamang posisyon. So kanina naidikit ko na siya, pero nung hinahagod ko siya, umuusad siya.
You want to pick an edge so that it anchors down.
Yeah.
You want to pick an edge to anchor
To stick, huh?
yeah, and then start
Yeah.
squeezing it out.
So I think the best is dito muna para siya mag-seal. Para dumikit siya. Unahin ko siya rito. So in here, siguro meron siyang maliit na distance sa edge. Huwag mo masyadong i-flat kasi ang tendency ito lalabas siya pagka nagkataon baka biglang umusli. Okay, I think this is the ideal now. Take a look, son. Look at this edge. That's fine, huh?
Yeah, that's good.
It doesn't need to be really end because I think you have to put a little distance. And the bottom, same thing, right? Yeah, hindi na halata. Okay, now hahagudin natin ngayon palabas. Gagawin yung hindi pupusan.
Squeeze it, not be afraid.
Yeah. Yeah. And then i-spray nyo yung labas kasi kailangan madulas siyang film para dudulas siya pag ginahagod nyo yung film at tatanggal yung tubig sa ilalim. Ayan, bidikit na siya may mga bubbles. Scrape siya pero okay
You're
lang.
supposed to set outside.
Pa-out, palabas. Dito. Let me see. Oh, okay. Alright. bubbles dito. Sagutin nyo lang. Kaya nito, may bubbles dyan. Ayan, medyo matigas pagka walang solution, which is the alcohol, shampoo, baby shampoo, and then the distilled water. Very easy, hindi siya ganun kahirap. So again, bakit natin kinakabit ng PPF? Dahil yung tire natin medyo nakalabas. So pag gumugulong na yan, mabilis matasik dito. Even the one from the front, dito siya tumatama. And then mostly nagchichip siya. Talagang kung may mga bato, kasama siya talaga. Ayan na, wala na akong makitang bubbles. Hindi siya ganun kahirap ikabit. Ito okay. Then I think I can dry now. Double check nyo siya. Hindi nyo mahalata na may kinabit. Talagang hindi siya kita. Siyempre, double check nyo siya. Ayan. I think success siya. So ito siya sa end. Minsan kailangan dito nyo tutukan kasi hindi siya dyan mag-start. Okay, now we are on the other side. So alcohol and then distilled water. Lilinisin mo ulit para wala siyang maiipit na anything na may maipit, magsushow siya kasi film siya.
Also, just to add, we also installed Expel PPF full frontal coverage on the car from Rapid Window Tinting in Hollywood. And here are some pictures. And then, yeah, we had headlights, the full hood, the full bumper, the fenders, and the side mirrors. And here's our friend David from Rapid Window Tinting installing the PPF. There he is.